First one for Taxmart Cafe and Rapsaran Studios. For Rapsaran Studios, first five, number 15, Santos. Number 10, Li-Fi. Number 7, Cameron. Number 6, Danson. And number 21, Bula. For Taxmart Cafe, number 24, Stanley Capusal. Number 0, Josh Tan. Number 8, Canillo. Number 30, Valerio. First possession belongs to Rapsaran Studios. Hula against Jay. Money for Hula. Two-zero in favor of Rapsaran Studios. Stanley on deep, short. Ball out of bounds. Li-Fi fronted to the basket for an easy two. 4-0 in favor of Rapsaran Studios. Valerio fakes, driving baseline. Floater is no good. Li-Fi secures the ball. Hula, bullet pass to Cameron, in and out. Stanley secures the board for Taxmart. Canillo to Valerio. Valerio to Tan. Tan. Step back jumper, no good. Rebound and stop with Cameron. Cameron to JD. JD to Galton. Kicks it out to Rula. From deep, no good. Li-Fi offensive rebound. MJ to JD, wide open play, in and out, rebound, ends up with Li-Fi. Li-Fi shot, he gets fouled by number 94, Stanley Capusal. First personal foul, first team foul. Jasper Li-Fi goes to free throws for Rapsaran Studios. First free throw is good for Li-Fi. 2 out of 2 for Jasper Li-Fi. 6-0 run by Rapsaran Studios. Valerio. Valerio to Canillo. To Stanley. Stanley. Jumper uses the window, no good. Cameron secures the ball. MJ to JD. JD kicks it out to Rula. To MJ. MJ from deep. No good. Way off. Timeout ref. Timeout. Taxmart Cafe. 7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Sean. Valerio, corner three. No good, rebound. MJ. Cameron to Ganson. Ganson, one shot. Rebound, Canillo, saves it to Cabusal. San with the ball. San to Valerio. Valerio, pass intercepted by Rula. Rula bounce pass to JD. Shot no good. Rebound Stanley. Stanley bounce it up to Canillo. Denied by Li-Fi. Great defense by Li-Fi. Possession remains with Daxmart Cafe. Sean to Stanley. Touch pass to Sean for an easy two. 6-2 in favor of Rock Serrano Studio. Santos. Pass. Intercepted by Tan. Tan up to the races. Easy two for Justin. 2-point game in favor of Rock Serrano Studio. Rula to JD. JD left wide open. Makes them pay. 5-point game in favor of Rock Serrano Studio. Stanley driving baseline. Takes it out to his brother. Sean from deep in and out. Johnson with the ball. Cameron to Rula. Cameron back to Rula. Pass to Li-Fi inside. Denied by Stanley. Rebound Sean. Chan to Tan. Tan brings away for a layup or two. 9-6 in favor of Rock Serrano Studio. JD left wide open again. This time no good. Stanley with the ball. Stanley drops it out to Tan. Kicks it out to Canillo. Canillo, no good in the corner three. Rebound Stanley. Sean asking for a screen. Screen by Valerio. Sean gives it out to his brother. Stanley fakes. 3-point on the skirt for Stanley Cabusal. They are now tied at 9 apiece. MJ to Li-Fi. Li-Fi to Cameron. Rula pass the trigger. No good. Rebound Santos. Foul is on red shirts. Foul is on number 0, Josh Tan. First personal foul on Tan. Second team foul on Daxmart. First free throw is no good for JD. One on two for JD Santos. One-point game in favor of Rock Serrano Studio. Stanley working against Rula to Tan. Tan, screen by Sean. Back to Sean. Sean, driving layup, floater, no good. Possession of Serrano Studio. Rula to Santos. Back to Rula. Rula, suman game with Santos. Li-Fi, poked away by Sean. Take over by MJ. MJ, fade away, Jerry, no good. Rebound Li-Fi. Rula, mid-range, Jerry, gets fouled. He will go to the line for two. Foul for number 30, Valerio. Valerio, first personal foul, 13 foul. Chance for an end one for Rula. Free throw is good for Biden. 13-9 in favor of Rock Serrano Studio. Sean, driving baseline. To Valerio. To Chan. Chan, floaters, too strong. Rebound ends up in Stanley. Put back no good. Rebound ends up in Cameron. Shot clock is off. JD, from red to the basket. Left to layup is good. Last 12 seconds. Traveling violation committed by Taxmart. Last 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. JD with the heat. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 15 for Rapsara Studios and 9 for Taxmart Cafe.
We have a name called La Pasara. So we have Amen.
Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Taxmart Cafe. Taxmart down by 6. Valerio to Sean. Sean hounded by Rula. Kabusa bounce pass to Stanley. Mid-range J is good for Stanley. JD, top of the net, play in and out. Rebound ends up with Canillo. Canillo from the waist to Lifey. Rula to Lifey. Lifey drives, Lifey scores. The lead is 6. 17-11 is the score in favor of Rapsara Studios. Shot from deep, yes sir! Moving treble for Sean Kabusa. Tuano sees an opening. Shot no good. Unlucky rebound. Kabusa. Standing to Valerio. Shot battered by Lifey. Tuano saves it too. So possession, Taxmart Cafe. Sideline throwing for the red shirts. Canillo, step up three, too strong. Tuano with the board. Tuano to JD. JD to Tuano. To Rula. Cameron running baseline. Reverse layup is good. Tough shot. Not even opening up the shot by Cameron. Stanley to Tuano to Chan. 19-14 is the score. Valerio to Sean. Sean, foul on the floor. Foul is on number 10. Lifey, first personal foul, first team foul. Chan, looking for a teammate. To Tan, wide open play, in and out. Rebound, ends up with Rula. Rula drives, no good, and lucky rebound Tuanyo to JD. Rula with the ball. To Cameron. Live by 3 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Jumper by Cameron is good. Driving baseline. Floater, no good, but there's a contact underneath the basket. Foul is on Rapsaran Studio. Foul is on number 7, Cameron. Take it in. Cameron, first personal foul. Third team foul. First free throw for time is good. 21-15 is the score in favor of Rapsaran Studios. 2 out of 2 for Georgetown. Tuanyo, Torila. Rula, working against Kabusa. JD to Tuanyo. Tuanyo, 4 seconds to shoot. Stolen by Stanley. Stanley with numbers. Bullet pass to Canillo for an easy 2. 3-point game in favor of Rapsaran Studio. Cameron against Stanley. Denied by Stanley. Rebound, Canillo. Canillo to Valerio. Valerio to Kabusa. Fires the triple. No good. Way up. Rula. Screen by Laifa. JD with the ball. JD, 7 seconds to shoot, 6 seconds to shoot, live by 3 seconds, breakaway layup for Laifa. Jumper by Stanley, mid-range is good for Stanley Kabusa. 23-20 in favor of Rapsaran Studio. Rula to JD. Pass is too strong. Ball ends up with Canillo. Forward pass to Stanley. Spins. Shot in and out. Unlucky rebound Cameron. Tuanyo working against his brother Tan. Tuanyo jumper no good. Rebound ends up with Chan. Chan steps out of bounds. Substitution rep. Laifa steps out of bounds. Turnover for Rapsaran Studios, so possession tax mark. Tan with the ball. What's the call, ref? Illegal screen is the call of referee, foul number 1. Who's foul, ref? Foul is on number 1, Tuanyo. Foul is on number 1, Tuanyo, 4th team foul. First team foul on Tuanyo. Tan with the ball. Tan, moving for the good for Georgetown. 5 goal game now. 23 apiece. Tuanyo, jumper, no good rebound Stanley. Abusaw, no good with the layup. Rebound ends up with Canillo. Time with the ball. Sean to Stanley. Stanley short on the corner three. Rebound to Anyo, saves it to Alcaabi. Pass under steal by Canillo. Canillo to Sean. Sean for deep, no good. Rebound, Valerio. Poked away, ends up with Alcaabi. Hula takes mid-range James good for Hula. Canillo to Sean. Working against Alcaabi. Stanley, mid-range James good. Tied ball game again. 25 apiece. MJ Spence. One shot, no good, rebound. Last touch on Rapsodano Studio. Tan to Canillo. Tan to Sean. Valerio to Stanley. Floater, no good. Rebound and sa Alcaabi. Alcaabi to Tuanyo. Tuanyo against his brother. Tan. Shot. Offensive foul is the referee. Turnover number 1. Justin Tuanyo. Second personal foul. 15 foul. Tan to Canillo, wide open three, no good, rebound, Ganson. Light five from deep, no good, rebound, and up with Canillo. Tan, one shot, no good, rebound, Valerio. Canillo from deep, no good, rebound, Tan. Blocked by Alcaabi. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Sean drives. Blocked by Alcaabi. Last touch on Rapsodano. 3 seconds to shoot. Valerio corner three. No good. Rebounding sa pin. Stanley. Putback is good for Stanley. Last 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Foul on the floor. Foul, who's foul left? Foul is on number 8. Canillo, first personal foul. First team foul. So 2 shots will be given to Kaiden Hula. First dribble is good for Hula. Two out of two for Kaiden Hula. 27-20 all is the score. After the ball game. Okay, third quarter possession belongs to Rapsodano Studios. This is the third quarter now. 27 all is the score. Hula with the ball. Chances with Canillo. Result turnover. Canillo with the ball. Canillo under the rest. Pass recovered by Valerio. Sean behind the back pass. Pass to handle for Canillo. Turnover for Smart Cafe. JD, driving baseline, layup is good for Santos. Stanley to Sean. Sean from deep. Yes, sir! 3-point was good for Josh Laya. Mula directing traffic for Roxanne Studio. Mula took away, straight by Valerio. Canillo, coast to coast, left layup is good. Mula, driving baseline, shot over Gibbon. Life by, shot, no good, there's a foul on the floor. Foul is on red, tax mark number 30. Valerio, second personal foul, first team foul. Thank you, ref. 2 free throws will be given to Lifeline. First free throw for Lifeline is good. 2 out of 2 for Lifeline. 31-32 in favor of Taximart Cafe. To our spectators, viewers, players who will join our raffle to be voucher and t-shirt. Sean takes it out to Stanley. Stanley from deep, number 3 on right side. Santos from deep, number 3 on right side. Life by putback is good for Life. The lead regained by Rapseran Studio. Chance is an opening to Cabuso, to Valerio. Valerio to Stanley. Stanley drives, it's about to Chan. Chan, right at the three short. Rebound Rula. Cameron, baseline Jay is good. Sean, under duress. Sean bounces to Valerio. To Canillo. Canillo corner three. Yes, sir! Corner three is good for Jomari Canillo. Live right to JD. Give and go. Jumper. Running. Automatic for JD Santos. 37-35 in favor of Rapseran Studio. Next up, red. Canillo, same spot. This time no good, rebound. Life forward pass to JD. JD kicks it out to MJ. Life looking for a teammate. To Rula. JD wide open three short. Rebound Stanley. Pass to Santos. Life by fakes, life by scores. 4-point game now in favor of Rapseran Studio. Sean working against JD. Pass to Tan deep in and out. Unlucky rebound, Valerio. Valerio to Tan, to Cabusa. Let it fly from deep, yes sir! Booming dribble for Sean Cabusa. 38-39. Breakaway layup, transition opens, is splitting for Rapseran Studio. 41-38 in favor of Rapseran. Cabusa, wing two, short. Rebound, Dobson. MJ with the ball. MJ to JD. JD is screened by Lifeline. JD to Cameron, baseline J, money. Five-point game in favor of Rapseran Studio. Stanley to Cabusa. Stanley to Chan. Touch pass to Cabusa. From turnover rebound MJ. Hesitation move. Mid-range J. In and out. Live by Ramon. Hula to live by. Live by drives. Live by scores. Seven-point game in favor of Rapsaran Studio. Stanley to Tan. Tan to Stanley. Cuts it up to Valerio for an easy 2 and 1. Substitution rep. Foul is on number. What's foul rep? MJ Ganson. First personal foul, third team foul. First team foul, sorry. Valerio for an and 1. One is free throw, no good from JD. 45-40 is the score in favor of Rapsaran Studio. JD to Cameron, fakes. Pass to JD. Live five, working with Sean. Live five, he gets fouled. Blocking foul on red shirts. Foul is on number 9. Sean Cabusa, first personal foul, second team foul. Jasper Live five will shoot 2 free throws for Rapsaran Studio. First free throw is no good for Live five. Second one is good for Justin Live five. 46-40 is the score in favor of Rapsaran Studio. Time moves closer, touch pass to Sean. He gets fouled. Foul is on number 10, Live five. Second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution rep. Sub rep. Ruland checks out for Al-Kaabi. So 2 free throws coming right up for Sean Cabusa. Taxmark is down by 46-40. First free throw is good for Sean Cabusa. Two out of 2 for Sean. Tuano fakes, pass to Live five. JD asking for a screen. JD hesitation move. Pass to Live five. Live five thrown away. Pass is good. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for 2. Foul is on number 10. Who's foul rep, sorry? Who's foul rep? Oh, number 30, Valerio. Third personal foul, third team foul. First free throw is no good for Live five. One more free throw for... As I said, 2 out of 2 for Live five. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score, 42 for Taxmark Cafe and 48 for Rapsaran Studio. 48-42.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are Make Europe. Another girls basketball league is bringing you anticipated Luminary Champions Series 2026.
Towers, the Tigers, fans, Also the players, you want to win a meal voucher and t-shirt from Silog, just put down your name on the registration form near the bleacher. If you want to win meal voucher and t-shirt, courtesy of NFBL and Silog. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Taxmart. Shot no good from Taxmart. Rob Serrano up by 6. Rula to Cameron, baseline jumper short. Ball out of bounds. Taxmart down by 6. Sean to Stanley. Driving baseline. Floater, no good. Taps by Sean is by to Stanley. Floater again, still no good. Unlucky. Rebound. Taps by live by to Rula. Juanyo to Rula for easy two. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover for Taxmart. Possession, Roxanne Studios. The deficit is 8 for Taxmart. Cameron to Tuanyo. Tuanyo asking for a screen. Screen by Cameron to Li-Fi. Li-Fi shot, no good. Rebound ends up with 10. Time to Stanley. Stanley, no shot, denied, but it gets fouled. Foul is on Roxanne Studios, number 7. Cameron, second personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws coming by up for Stanley. First free throw is no good for Stanley. Still, the deficit is 8 for Taxmart. Zero out of 2 for Stanley. One more free throw for Stanley as lane violation committed by Roxanne Studios. One out of 3 for Stanley Cabusa. The deficit is 7 for Taxmart. Next subject. Rula, guarded by Valerio. Rula to Alcaabi. Alcaabi let it fly from deep. No good. Sean, quick box out for the rebound. Stanley forward pass to Valerio. Shot no good. But it gets fouled by Cameron. Substitution good. Foul is on number 7, Cameron. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Alcaabi for Santos. 6 minutes and 57 left. And now in the last quarter, John Marie Camillo at the charity stripes for 2. Third game for tonight, Silog versus In-Car Auto Care. Please be ready. First free throw is good for Camillo. One out of 2 for Camillo. Rebound, Juanyo. The deficit is 6 for Taxmart. JD to Li-Fi. To Rula. Baseline J. Money. 8-point game. And it's an opening. Touch pass to Sean. Ball ends up in Cameron. Forward pass to Rula for an easy 2. Injury timeout. Sean is shaking up. He's okay. The deficit is 10 now. Double figure lead now for Roxanne Studio. Pass deflected, stolen by Rula. Rula against Valerio. Layup is good for Rula. It's a 12-point game now. Foul is on number 1, Tuanyo. Third personal foul, first team foul. Shot by Stein, no good. Canillo, corner three, yes sir! 3-pointer is good for Canillo. Second team foul for Taxi. Tuanyo, baseline jump is good! Layup by Canillo. Timeout. Who called the timeout, ref? Who called the timeout? Timeout, Roxanne Studio. 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining in the last quarter. Official score, 58 for Roxanne Studios and 44 for Taxmark. 58-44. Fifty-eight, 44 is the score. Official score 58 for Roxanne Studios and 49 for Taxmark. 49. Dalawang free throw, isang tres, isang dos. From 42 points, dalawang free throw, tig-isa kayo ni Canillo, isang tres, isang dos. From 42, 49. Tig-isa na kayo free throw ni Canillo, isang tres, isang dos. 58-49 is the score. We approach the last 3 minutes of our ball game. The deficit is 9 for Taxmark. JD working on against Wi-Fi. JD from deep, short. Last touch on Roxanne Studios. 2 minutes and 43. 9-point game. Stanley to Sean. Tan flips. Tan to Sean. Shot. He will be fouled by Roxanne Studios. Foul is on number 94. Number 10, rep, number 10. Number 10, live foul. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 free throws coming by Rock for Stanley. Free throw is good for Stanley. The lead is cut down to 8. 2 minutes and 34. One out of number Stanley. Defensive rebound by Stanley will be fouled again. Foul is number 10, live foul. Fourth personal foul penalty. That's 4 on live foul penalty. So 10 will shoot 2 free throws. 2 minutes and 34. The clock stops. And Roxanne on the penalty. First free throw is good for 10. The lead is cut down to 7. One out of 2 for Boston. Rebound right high. Rula passes the midcourt. Shot is good for Rula. He will be fouled. He's going to the line for an end one. Foul is number 19. Cabusao, second personal foul. Third team foul. Alidis 9 again. Bonus free throw is good for Hula. Double figure lead for Rapsirano Studios. Stanley against Hula. Stanley to Khan. Khan from deep, short. Rebound to Anyo. Anyo crosses the midcourt. Pass to JD. To Cameron. To Laifa. Laifa is stealing baseline. Shot no good. Taps by Khan to Stanley. Last 2 minutes. Canino drives. Canino scores. The lead is 8, a minute and 54 in the last quarter. Hula, six, spoke away by Canino, recovered by Tuanyo. Tuanyo spins to Laifa. 3 seconds. Violation by Rapsirano Studios. A minute and 41 left. Taxmark down by 8. A minute and 41 left. San to Sean, spin by Sean. Lovers, rebound Laifa. JD to Tuanyo. Tuanyo to Hula. Hula fakes. Mid-range chase good. Sean, let it fly from deep, short. Rebound Valerio. Denied by Hula. The rejection by Hula. Possession remains with Taxmark. A minute and 19. Central game. Sean to Stanley. Stanley. Floater in and out. Rebound Cameron. To Hula. Hula. Breakaway layup. 12-point game. Down to Canino. Canino from deep. Yes, sir. Stolen, counter steal by Hula. Tuanyo to JD. Last 55 seconds. Tuanyo working on his brother. Foul is on Josh Ten. Foul is on number 0, Josh Ten. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Sideline throwing. 50 seconds left in the final quarter. Hula working on against Canino. Hula pass deflected, stolen by Stanley. Forward pass to Tan. Challenge by his brother, Tuanyo. Eagle be fouled. Eagles go to the free throw line for 2. Foul is on Justin Tuanyo, fourth personal foul penalty. Justin making his brother earn it at the free throw line. No easy basket for the Tuanyo brothers. First free throw is good for Josh Tan. Two out of 2 for Josh Tan. JD, fouled by Cabusao. Foul is on number 19. Sean Cabusao, third personal foul penalty left. JD will shoot 2 free throws for Rapsirano Studios. The lead is 7 for Rapsirano Studios. First free throw is good for JD. Second one is no good. People by Hula. Hula fakes. Pass to JD. Panyo. 5 seconds to shoot. Fouled by... Who's foul rep? Foul is on number 8, Canino. Second personal foul, penalty. 25.3 seconds left. Third game for tonight, Incar Autocare versus Silog. First free throw for Justin is good. One out of two for Justin, rebound Stanley. Stanley to Josh. Josh then back to Valerio, floater no good, rebound Valerio. Put back is good for Valerio. Cameron with the ball. Cameron to Rula. 8 seconds violation committed by Rapsaran Studio. Last 7 seconds. 7.2 seconds left. 67-60 is the score. Stanley short on the corner play, rebound, Tuanyo. That's the end of our second game. Official score 67 for Rapsaran Studios and 60 for Taxmark Cafe. We will now draw the winner of our t-shirt and new voucher. If you want to win a Silog voucher and t-shirt, register your name because Ryan will going to draw the winner.